I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is Time Records Part 3B, using the stopwatch to record a time-based activity from the Matters screen. Now, our previous stopwatch was used from within the Time Record screen. We are now going to use the stopwatch from the Matters screen. So that's this little guy, fourth icon along on the top row. So the beauty of this icon is if your phone rings and you pick it up and client starts talking, whoever starts talking, you don't necessarily need to locate the matter first. You can simply come into the stopwatch and start the clock. Okay, and you'll see here there's no matter, and it automatically defaults to telephone attendance because these are the things that sort of catch us unaware and don't give us time to, find our matter. So we can then record the contents of our telephone, client phone to confirm meeting with counsel on 26th June 2020. Great. And you could chat about other things, other bits and pieces. Telephone attendance is my default. My normal billing rate has been applied because that's what is applied to the matter. And only now do I need to go and look for my file. So I click on the ellipse button, and I know that it is my matter with Mr. Brown. So where are we? See, let's just go by file reference, and that would be my BRO1 matter. There it is there. So I select my matter, and once I'm finished with my conversation, I can then stop my little timer. So 1 minute and 8 seconds telephone conversation, I can then say save. Okay. Now, what it's done is it's saved my little telephone conversation, and I can say make fee notes. Now, this will immediately create both a timed record, okay, and a fee note, okay. I, however, would change this narrative to something less busy and less kind of complicated, because this is what will appear on the client's invoice. So I would change this to telephonic consultation with client, and I would then just leave my unit of measure. Okay, so my 2 minutes is there. You still have at your time records, you still have your detailed narrative, so you can see exactly what that telephone consultation was with, and you also have your file note, which is created automatically, and your fee note, which is created automatically. So this little stopwatch up here allows you to start recording before actually finding the matter and that sort of thing.